everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to use this opportunity to wish all my subscribers out there a happy new year. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to achieve this beautiful Pleated Aso Oke headband with a flower design on it. Yeah, to our old subscribers who have always watched our videos and always commenting and sharing it, we really want to appreciate you from the depth of our heart. And if you are new here and you're here to subscribe, please do it by smashing on the red subscribe button, like, share, and also drop your comment at the comment section. Yes, in this particular video, what I use here is 2 strands of asooke, 2 strands of asooke, and I joined them together using my sewing machine. So the next thing I will do is to open it up and start pleating. I'll be starting my pleating from this part of the asooke down to the other edge of the asooke. So I want you to watch closely as I'm going to do this now. Well, pleating from this part down to the other part of the asooke. At the same time, I'll be doing the rest of the pleating off camera. So keep watching and keep learning. So this is the asooke I've pleated to this particular edge of the asooke. So after the pleating, I will get my needle and thread and tack it at the middle of the asooke. So keep watching. I'll get my needle and thread and start tacking it now. Keep watching and keep learning. I want to use this medium to give a big shout out to all our subscribers out there. You guys are doing amazingly well. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you for always commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your likes. We do really appreciate you. Thank you so much from the depth of my heart. Thank you so much. And if you're new here and you're here to subscribe, like you're coming across this channel for the first time, I want you to do it by joining the family, by clicking on the red subscribe button, like, share, and also drop your comments at the comment section. Please do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. Keep watching and keep learning. As you can see from the video, I'm done tacking the middle of this asooke with my needle and thread. So what I will do now is to go retack it again to ensure it is properly stitched together. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stitch it and go one more round or twice to ensure it's properly firm, it's tight enough. So after this, I will hold one side of the asooke just the way you are seeing it now. I'll hold it just this way and stitch with my needle and thread. Okay, so I'm trying to hold it very well so that the tips will be kind of being equal. I will hold very tight using my needle and thread. I will stitch it properly. I can stitch 2-3 times to ensure it is properly stitched together. So keep watching and keep learning. After stitching this part that looks like the handle, I picked 2 to 3 strands of the pleated part and also stitch it together. Okay, you can see the design is finally out. So I just picked it and stitched together. Just keep watching and see what's happening. Keep watching and keep learning. I'm done stitching, so I'm going to be placing it on my Alice band. Okay, I'll place it on my Alice band this way and stitch with my needle and thread. I can stitch with my needle and thread, or I can also use my hot glue to hold them together. Whichever way is okay. But if you notice, my Alice band has an elastic band. Okay, this Alice band has been wrapped with an asooke material. Okay, so if you want to learn how I achieve that, how I wrapped my Alice band with my asooke and I was able to add that elastic band on it, I'll be dropping a link to the video that will show you on how I wrapped my Alice band with my asooke material and I was able to add that elastic band on it. The elastic band there is just to help it hold firmly to the head. You know, most of these asooke, they are a bit weighty. When you wear them, you need the elastic band to help you hold it firmly on the head. If not, you won't be able to bend down. That is the purpose of that elastic band on this Alice band. So go check your description box. I will drop a link that will show you on how to achieve the coat head Alice band. So as I said earlier on, you can either use your needle and thread, or you can also use your hot glue, your glue machine, to glue the asooke to the Alice band. So keep watching and keep learning. Believe you're getting value from this video. If yes, why not give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and also drop your comments at the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well by smashing on the red subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. As you can see, the video is progressing. I am stitching my asooke to the Alice band, so I'm going to stitch and tie firmly. After stitching, I'm going to tie it up, then cut off the excess thread. So after done that, I noticed that the other part was not well stitched, so I fixed up my needle and thread and I stitched the asooke to the Alice band very neatly to make sure the work is very neat. Okay, I stitched the Alice band to the asooke. So keep watching and keep learning. The next thing I'll be doing now is to attach this flowering design on my work. I'm going to attach it with my hot glue. Okay, there's a piece of flower. I just have to place them on it. Then use my hot glue to hold them firmly on the asooke. And thereafter, my pleated asooke headband is ready. Okay, this work is beautiful. Wow. So if you're yet to subscribe, please do well by smashing on the red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.